Sawadee welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I would like to introduce you to another kind of seafood sauce, which is lemongrass sauce, which you can eat with the fish or any kind of seafood. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Lemongrass, lime, chilies, garlic, shallots, palm sugar syrup, and fish sauce. And now I'm going to chop up all the ingredients. Oh my god, the rain is coming. We just have to hurry up. You think we make it in time? Okay, so now every ingredient is ready, so we just mix everything together. Just 1 tablespoon of the syrup. Three tablespoons of the fish sauce. And 1 whole lime. Okay, let's taste it. It's good already. So we just put all the ingredients in here. It's raining. Okay, so now you know how to make this simple but delicious lemongrass seafood sauce. I hope you try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Shit.